What's up, dudes and dudettes? Welcome to a very special episode of Mr. Hooliganisms. Why is it special? It is special because, let me tell you, this is the first do-it-yourself or DIY MF. The MF is up to your own interpretation. It can mean whatever you want it to mean, wide range. But this is the first do-it-yourself video that I'm doing. The reason why, some of you might follow my Instagram. If you don't, whatever. I mean, whatever. It's just there for kicks and shit. But if you do, you know that my original taillight, which is also not original, it's aftermarket from British Customs, the bracket had cracked. And there's a story behind why that bracket had cracked. I'm gonna save that for actual story time. So the bracket cracked, and I have a new light from British Customs that I'm gonna be replacing it with. Da-da-da-da-da. Right here. This here is the British Customs cat eye fender eliminator kick tail light thingy. Also came with the underplate. Unfortunately, I already have one of these, but I guess you can't get the light without the underplate, so I don't need it. I need this! Alright, so the tools you're gonna need for this quick little project do-it-yourself thingy that I know of from doing this before, there's gonna be things that I don't have to do. So if you really want a full step-by-step, probably check out British Customs site, not this, because this, I've already done this before, so there's gonna be steps that are missing, so the underplate's already there. Really, this is super easy. I did this 2 years ago, I think. Yeah, 2 years ago. I just did it. Didn't even look at the directions. I just did it, and what looked like what it was. Wait, I think I said that right. But anyways, tools. I need this guy to take the seat off and to loosen some of the screws. Whatever this guy is, I have no fucking clue. I can't remember. I never remember the name of this tool. I just call it an Allen screwdriver, which is not what it is, and I know that. And you're gonna need some wrenches. And I believe I will be needing a metric 10. God, I love metric. I wish the US would just stick with metric because it's so much easier. That's what you need. Let's take the light out of this here bag. And there we go. I like that a lot better than Lucas, actually. That's the cat eye, if you've never seen it before. There you go. And since I already have the hardware on here as well, I think this looks like it's all for the underplate, so I don't really need them. Let's get to it.
Okay. So hopefully you guys can see this. I got you on my face now, and oh yeah, see, kind of convexed a little bit. Yeah, so there's a bit of a story for how this all happened. Like I said, I'll tell you later. But what you're looking for is these two set screws for the seat. Take them out, and that's what this guy is here for. To get on and get in there and just take out that bolt out of that hole. Oops, get a little too excited. It slipped out. That's okay. Happens to everybody. There we go. I think I just hand bumped you in the camera, and that also came out. So I also like to keep things systematic. So if I had a bolt that was for this side, I put it on that side, on the side that's supposed to go on, and likewise for the left bolt, I will be putting it on the left bolt. Okay, all right, well, those are the set screws. The set screws are out. Lift. And those are the internal guts of the Triumph thrust. And let's put the seat right here. Yeah. 10. There we go. 10, right? Oh, that helps if I turn the flashlight on. Yeah, right there. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2, and nut number 1, nut number 2. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the freaking crack Unfortunate, but you know, it happened. So we're taking care of it. My phone will probably drop. I'll probably drop my phone. Oh fuck, I'm an idiot. I need Allen keys. Okay. Got my Allen key this time. Can't believe I forgot about that. Just give it a little twist. And also, I forgot to do something before I started this. Really? I mean, you can disconnect the battery if you want. I mean, it's just kind of like a precautionary thing. I would do it, but I haven't done that. So a little electricity knowledge for you guys if you don't know. So it has always been taught that the electron flow runs from positive to negative. It's actually not true. It actually runs from the ground to positive. I'm not gonna do this. Probably should, maybe, but I would actually disconnect the positive, but I'm not gonna do it because I am me. But that is me. I recommend you do it, and if you don't do it and you get shocked, that is your own dumb fault. Likewise, it would be my own dumb fault. Also, in playing with electricity, do not use both of your hands, and if you do, have some electric resistant or proof gloves. A good electrician always keeps one hand in his pocket as to prevent from creating a circuit, and that circuit will go across your heart and kill you. Fun fact. So let's see, actually this needs to come out like so. See how, okay. So you want to take this like little grommet out. Put that in there. Alright, well in this case we just slide it off. Let's see, it looks like I had a couple washers that fell out. The 2 washers will go on the bolt right there. So, and I called it. There goes my phone. Oh well. So, since we need to get this guy in there, I could hook this up, but it's already there, so I'm not. Just set the washer on like that. Try and line it up. And oh, whammo bammo. And take your other washer and nut. Tighten it on there. Then you take your other washer and nut and screw that on there. Alright, there we go. And slide that up there. And then adjust it to where you want it. I originally had it far forward. And then, yeah, and it cracked because something fell on it. So we're gonna set it further forward. Then you want to take your connector right through up here, get that grommet in there. Come on, there we go. Cool. And make your connection. And then, actually, you know, here's an idea. Don't tighten your stuff down first. Get your seat and kind of, you know, place it where it, you know, would be. So about that's where it's gonna sit. So you can see where you want to adjust it. You can bring it closer, you can bring it further. All up to you. Once you figure it out, get your Allen key, get your metric 10 wrench, and plug away. Fucking get in there, man. I'm just doing terrible. Don't tighten it all the way. Just get it snug, nice and snug. And if you feel like you're cross-threading it, back off, give it a quarter back turn, then forward turn. You know, the bolt just might be really dirty, so it's giving me a fucking hard time. That is where I want it. Tighten it up. And you don't want it gorilla tight, you want it, you know, monkey tight. We're talking tightness via the primates. Alright, well, there we go. And it looks straight to me. Ah, there we go. Good enough. Yeah. Good enough for government work. This isn't government work. Oh. Alright, well, it's probably, it's bothering me. And before I would put my seat on, turn the lights on. It should come on. Okay, 1 second.
Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Fix it, fix it, fix it.
I didn't think I would have to do this, but maybe. So we're actually gonna put the new one on. I just had it in my hand. What the fuck did I do with it? Oh, pfft. Fucking dumb.
2 very boring minutes later.
Aha! Aha! Alright. There we go. Alright. So it was the harness. Okay. Alright, so I did skip a step. I thought I could use the old wiring harness for the Lucas tail light. Apparently I cannot. So if you go from the cat eye to the Lucas, or vice versa, you go to the Lucas to the cat eye, use the appropriate harness, because apparently they are specific. They are very, very specific. That was my mistake. The mistake we shall not make again. No, sir. All right, let's see how that looks. Okay. All right, well, next step is to get the seat back on. And there's a little tab right there. You might want to slip that right there. Okay, and for the thrust end, I don't know about the Bonneville's, but probably the same thing, I imagine. You have these like little tabs. Get my flashlight again. Yeah, those tabs where my thumb is, and that one. So once you get those in there, push it forward, should lock that in place. Yep, just like that. I do like that. That is nice. Alright, well, let's get these set screws, fastening screws, securing screws, what the fuck you want to call them, in there. Oh. Yeah. Just want them nice and snug. Just to double sure. Make sure the yep. Alright. Now do it.
Alright, well, there you guys go. That's how you install the British Custom Fender Eliminator taillight. Of course, if you want to do the full thing, you want the full instruction, go to BritishCustoms.com. I'm sure it's on there. Like I said, first, I was going to skip some steps because I've already done this. I was just replacing the light. But, yeah, that's the first DIY video from Mr. Hooliganisms. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you out. Remember, keep it easy and make it breezy. I'll see you guys next time. This cat's going to bed. Bye-bye.